Hi everyone, it's Joanna here. Today we have a quick yet very effective 15-minute indoor bootcamp. So this workout will work on your upper body, lower body, as well as your core strength. The good news is, this workout is low impact and you don't need any equipment. So you'll only need a mat and a very small space to get this workout done. So let's do it. So we'll be moving up and down throughout the entire workout, alternating between lower body as well as your upper body and core, okay? So for each workout will be 45 seconds long with 15 seconds break in between. Simple body weight movements, yet extremely effective, okay? So the first workout is going to be an in and out squat. So start in a narrow position, point your toes forward, squat down, and as you step out, get into a neutral squat, okay? In and alternate your leg. So that is the first workout. Right, are we ready? Let's just shake it out and let's get straight into the 15 minutes. Narrow position, squat down, push your butt back, step out, and squat. So just allow your arms to swing naturally. Up, and narrow. Good. Push your butt out and bring your legs close together. Sit back. Try to go as low as you can. Down and out. Good. So this is the first workout, and this can also be your warm-up. Again, all you need is a mat and your own body to get moving. All right, now let's get down onto the floor, okay? The next workout is going to be a bear crawl. So get onto all fours, hover off the floor, and all I want to do is crawl forward, keeping your back flat, and crawl back. Good job. So remember to keep your butt down, keep your back flat, crawl forward and back. So you should feel the work on your core as well as your upper body. And not forgetting on your legs as well. So crawl forward, keeping a neutral spine, gaze onto the floor, and reverse the movement. Forward and back. If you have more space, then by all means, you can crawl further forward. Right, step back up. Next is going to be a forward and reverse lunge. So you'll need to find your balance for this workout, okay? Start right in the middle of the mat. Step forward and reverse the lunge. If you're struggling to balance, take a step in the middle, step back, take a step, and step forward. If not, go with me. Forward and push it back. So look at one focal point and brace your core and just balance your body. Good job. Just working on one side to begin with, okay? And on the second round, we want to work on the other leg. Back, and done. All right, now let's get down onto the floor. Let's start right at the edge of your mat. What I want to do is give me 4 mountain climbers and slowly walk to the end of your mat. 4 climbers, and now slowly walk to the end of your mat. Good. So it's a plank walk with climbers. Remember, back flat, do not pike your butt up. Palms firmly onto the mat. Okay? 2, 3, 4. Slowly, all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now back. and just drop it back down. All right, now come back up. The next workout is going to be a side-to-side shuffle. Okay, again, start right at the edge of your mat. All I want to do is shuffle, tap, and shuffle. So stay light on your feet, shuffling to the right and to the left. Tap down and tap. Good. So we're not jumping, we're just staying light on our feet. Tap and tap. Good. Remember to reach as low as you can. Whew. Legs on fire. My heart is racing. Last few more. Tap. Last one more. And get back down. All right. The next workout is going to be a push-up with shoulder tap. So let's start easy. Let's do the push-up on your knees to begin with. So one firm push-up, tap the opposite shoulder, and push up. Good. So gaze onto the floor. And remember to brace your core. Avoid moving your hips too much. Just a slight movement. Tap, down, and tap. Good job. Push up, tap. Whew. Last few more. You're almost there. Looking strong. One more, and good job. All right, now, staying in this kneeling position, all I want you to do is bring your right leg up, okay? We're going to work with our left leg to begin with. All I want you to do is step up and back into a kneeling position. So it's going to be a single leg kneel to squat, okay? So we're going to work on each leg for 30 seconds long. You should feel the burn on your right leg, the standing leg. All right? Woo! I can feel it. Up, stay low. Do not come all the way up. Last one more. And now switch side. Right, left leg up. Let's go. Tap, down, and stay low. Good job. Oh my gosh, I know. This is the finisher, and this is the killer as well. Gently tap. Do not rest your knees, okay? Just gently tap and back up. Last few more seconds. And come back up. Okay, shake it out. All right, take a short break, drink some water, keep yourself hydrated, and we want to repeat the entire workout once more. And I'll see you back here. That was your first 7 minutes. Now we want to repeat the entire circuit once more, and so let's give it your best shot. You know the workouts, so I want your best effort and your best energy. Okay, first workout, narrow to a wide squat. Step close, toes pointed forward, down and out. Maintaining a low position throughout, keeping your knees soft. Find your rhythm. Pace your breathing. Nice and easy. Down. And try to squat lower each time. Okay? Down. Good. Push your butt back. Chest up. Look straight ahead. Yup. I see you. Yup, I'm feeling the glutes. Feeling on my quads. Really feeling the burn on my lower body. Down And good job. Okay, right at the edge of your mat. Back crawl. Get onto all fours. Lift your knees off. Are we ready? Let's go. Crawl forward. One step at a time. And crawl back. Okay? Keeping your back flat. Do not pike your butt up. Look onto the floor. Small step forward and small step back. Whew. Everything is on fire right now. I don't even know where it's hurting anymore. Let's keep going. Looking strong. And come back up. Okay, now face the other direction. All right, so we want to switch to the other leg. Remember, take a wide forward lunge and a wide reverse lunge. Are we ready? Let's go. Forward lunge and a reverse lunge. Look at one focal point. Brace your core. And just trust your body. Move with your body. If at all you need to take a short break, step in the middle, get back into a reverse lunge. Okay? Good job. Whew. Now you should feel the burn on your left leg. Wide forward, wide back. Last few more. And shake it out. All right, now let's get down onto the mat. Let's start right at the edge of your mat. So it's going to be plank walk climbers, okay? 4 mountain climbers, and let's walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to the edge of your mat, keeping your back flat. All right, one step at a time. Feel the work on your core. Whew. And really press into the ground. Okay? Maintaining a flat back. Whew. This indoor boot camp is on fire, baby! Let's go! And just drop it down. Oh my gosh. Get back up. Back to your lower body. Side to side shuffle, okay? Let's start at the edge of your mat. Are we ready? Stay low. Shuffle, tap. Shuffle and tap. Oh, find your rhythm. Find your pace. And as you tap down, keep your back flat, keep your chest up. All right, push your butt back. Halfway there. Oh, stay with me. I know, it's burning. Last 10 seconds, okay? We're a team. We're going to do this and finish this together. One more. Okay, good. Now, get down. Choose your option, either on your knees or on your toes, okay? Push up with shoulder tap. Are we ready? Let's go. On your toes. Push up, tap, tap. Good. Nice solid push up and tap it out. Remember to stabilize your hips and minimize the movements from your hips. Okay? Suck your belly in, keeping a flat back. A few more. Whew. Oh my gosh. When I'm not talking, You know that it's tough. Oh, drop it down. Okay, one final workout. Oh, only 15 seconds, 15 minutes, and look at me. All right, single leg kneel to a squat, all right? Start with your right leg, 30 seconds on each side, and the whole goal here is to maintain a low position. So you are constantly working on your right leg or your standing leg, okay? The tension is constantly there, and that's what we want. Stay low, kneel, back. Good job. One more. And take a short break. Switch to the other side. Are we ready? Up and back down. So now the tension should be on the opposite leg. Almost there. Oh, I know it's burning. 10 more seconds. Remember, don't just collapse. Gently tap onto the floor. Control your movement down. Tap, up, push, up, and stand back up. Okay, guys. Very, very well done. That is the end of your 15-minute indoor bootcamp. Short, quick, effective, and I'm feeling extremely good. My whole body is on fire right now. My legs are burning, my upper body, and my core. So if you're ever short on time, or if you feel like getting a quick workout done, then be sure to try out this workout. And if you like to combine it with other cardio workouts or even strength training workouts, do check it out on my YouTube channel. Well, if you haven't yet subscribed, then what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I will see you in my next workout session. Let me know how you felt in the comments below. All the best.